manager's mode.
Yeah.
And the manager's mode, you press OK, hold it, and press on, and keep holding the OK.
This is the manager mode.
Manager's mode.
Yeah, I turn off after I press OK.
Yeah.
Always OK, holding OK, and press this one.
Yeah. Okay, now you can leave it, or you keep holding because now it's up operating now. Okay, now we go to menu, this design. So you put your USB. So you say okay. No. Sorry, I go back. Okay, so we want to delete the design.
Yeah.
So, oh shit, this USB having an issue.
It's coming on and off. On
Yeah,
and
because this one is heavy.
off. You can delete the design before putting the USB.
No, you cannot delete. You have to delete it inside the USB. Advance.
Yeah. When I put the USB, this menu show up.
Yeah, show up. So you go to advance. So you go this one.
Yes.
Okay, that's the advance. So now you scroll down, you see delete design.
Designs.
Is that one?
Yeah.
Delete design. So now you say okay.
Okay.
So which design you delete? You can use this one to select.
Okay.
Whether this one, or if you want to delete all, so you say delete all.
Yeah.
This one. So now you press OK. It's asking you, do you want to delete the design, blah blah blah. You say yeah, and you press OK. All deleted. So delete, and you say OK. You go back. Now you add. Now you transfer to this thing. Add from USB.
Yeah. Second bottom.
Yeah, you add from USB. Now it's completed. You say OK. And remove. So now you go to menu.
Select design. Same like before.
Yes. So which one we need?
It's only one.
Only one. You say OK. Now you escape. Okay.
Where is the line?
So let's see the lines. Here is it.
Yeah. And now level is 0, 0, and it's coming okay now.
Yes.
This one for only
normally we don't put it that way. It will affect the hydraulic distance. Or you have to move after you put it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So now it's done, huh?
Yeah, it's done now.